Take a deep breath. Really pause and feel it. That's life moving through you. What a gift that is. Today is a beautiful day to be alive. The air, the light, the chance to do something meaningful. All of it is an opportunity wrapped in the ordinary. No matter what's on your schedule, remember, you get to do this. You get to show up, lead, build, learn, and grow. You get to make someone's day a little better. You get another sunrise, another shot. So step into today with gratitude. Smile at the simple things. You're alive. And that alone makes today extraordinary. Let's make it a good one.